Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Sachi Jain and today I will be sharing my everyday makeup look. So without further ado, let's start the video. So I have prepped my skin already, which includes my skincare, toner, moisturizer and sunscreen. I don't know why, but I never apply primer to my face because I don't know, it makes my skin texture a little weird, so I don't really like that. But for that little glow on my face, I'm gonna go on with this MAC stroke cream. मिनी है मेरे पास, इतने पैसे नहीं है कि बहुत सारी. इफ यू कान गो ऑन बाइंग मैक स्ट्रोक क्रीम, आई नो महंगा है थोड़ा सा. सो लैक्मे का लूमी क्रीम इज ऑल्सो रियली वेरी गुड. I have used Lakme Lumi cream and it is really very good. It gives the same glow the way this MAC stroke cream gives. Don't forget your neck. Okay, so can you see that glow on my face? So this cream actually works really very good. And then we are going to go on with concealer. Now I'm not really a kind of a person who likes to overdo the base, concealer, foundation and everything. I just like to go on with concealer because I really like my skin to be visible and I don't like layering a lot of makeup on my face. I'm just gonna go on with this concealer. This one has been my favorite and it's almost finished. It's from Insight Cosmetics. It's in the shade NC4 Warm Yellow. एंड ऑल्सो दिस वॉज माई फर्स्ट एवर कंसीलर जो कि मैंने सही शेड में ख़रीदा था. अदरवाइज जो भी मेरे पास कंसीलर है दे आर लाइटर देन माई स्किन टोन एंड आई कॉन्ट यूज़ दैम. लाइट वाला कंसीलर भी डू यूज़ फॉर हाईलाइट करने के लिए, बट देन इतने लाइट नहीं. आई हैव सो मैनी कंसीलर्स एंड दीज आर नॉट इवन ऑफ माई शेड. आई मीन मैंने ये लिए भी क्यों थे, आई डोंट इवन नो. दिस वन इट्स फ्रॉम मेबेलिन, एकदम फ्रेश पड़ा हुआ है. आई हैव नॉट इवन यूज्ड इट फॉर लाइक इवन वंस. आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. Okay, so now when I apply concealer, I really like to go in very light with that as well. I just go on wherever I feel there are little marks on my face or a little pigmentation and everything. Now I'm gonna take this concealer brush. This brush is really very good. I received it in one of the PR. It's from the brand called Pro Art. The brush is AK88. It's very good. And वैसे तो I don't really go on using any brush or something. I go on with my fingers only because fingers do really good job. And also I'm always in a rush while doing makeup, so I just do that. But because today I have enough of time and that's why I'm just gonna go on with this brush. Now whenever I apply concealer under my eye, I like to apply it थोड़ा सा distance पे ताकि वो थोड़ा सा natural लगे. Otherwise if I go on एकदम यहाँ पे, so it looks very cakey. This is the makeup routine that I follow like every day. Not really every day, but whenever I feel like applying makeup, I think this is the makeup routine that I go on doing. Even when I'm doing any shoots for any brand or anything, so I just do this makeup routine only. I hardly take 5 to 7 minutes to complete this makeup look. I don't know, it might take a little longer in this video because of all the talking and all everything, and also I have plenty of time to shoot it, so that's gonna be my base. Also I'm doing makeup in this white shirt. God bless me and the shirt because I've never worn this shirt like even once outside. So next up we are gonna go on filling in our eyebrows. This one is from Benefit. This eyebrow pencil is really very good. I mean, I used to think it's a little expensive, but it's worth it because it works really good. So I'm gonna use this one only. I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. You need to fill your eyebrows because it just frames your face, and you should definitely have like good sharp eyebrows, which I don't have. I have very thin eyebrows, so you can see the difference in both of them. So मेरी natural eyebrows बहुत ज़्यादा light है, because of which I have to fill in my eyebrows to just make sure that they kind of enhance my whole face. So after filling in my eyebrows, I'm just again gonna run the brush so that ज़्यादा जो strokes रहते हैं, they are not that visible. It just looks natural and everything blends beautifully. Next, I'm very confused what I should go on with. let's go on with blush. Now usually लोगों का जो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, नहीं, टच अप, हाँ, people do touch up with the compact and everything. मेरा touch up होता है with blush. I don't know, I am a blush person. I love applying blush. So I'm gonna go on with this cream blush first. It's from Swiss Beauty Craze. I received this one in PR. I really love this blush because it's very pigmented. I have 3 blush that I definitely love a lot. First one is this one that I'm using right now. Then we have this powder blush. It's from Sugar. Then I love Benetton. Now I have finished this bottle and I have got another bottle of this, and ये भी पूरी मतलब आधी हो गई है. So I love this one because it's very light and it just doesn't even feel like you're wearing anything on your face. So it's very natural. And I usually go on with cream blush or Benetton. I like to top it off with powder blush so that it stays a little longer. So I'm just gonna take this one and a little contour shade as well. Tap off the excess. Like rosy, pinky cheeks. कोई blush तो करा नहीं सकता है real life में, so खुद ही blush लगा लो. Now I don't really go on applying any eyeshadow or something, but just to add a little color to my eyes, I'm gonna go on with this eyeshadow palette. It's from NK, I think. ये मैंने नायका से मंगाई थी, but ये अब आना ही बंद हो गई है मार्केट में. It's very old, but I love the shades I have got. ये है, ये है, ये है. These are of no use, but then I still have them. I don't know why. I'm gonna mix like literally almost all the shades. I like very natural makeup, so I don't really, go overboard with anything. I don't like it. My current obsession, that is brown kajal. I have always been a kajal person since I was a kid. I used to love applying kajal. Like छोटे में ऐसा कभी होता नहीं था कि मेरे आंखों में काजल नहीं होता था, एंड देन कभी नहीं रहता था तो यूज्ड टू लुक लाइक कि मैं बीमार हूँ. I'm just gonna apply it on my waterline. Can you see that? Just gonna stretch my eyes a little. So now we are gonna go on with mascara. I will be using this Sky High mascara. It's from Maybelline. So I have been doing makeup since what, I think 4 years now, 4 or 5 years now, but I still don't know how to apply mascara to your lower lashes. Seriously. See, I told you right कि मुझे mascara लगाते नहीं आते नीचे lashes से, and this is what I did. Coming to lipstick, I'm a kind of a person who applies only brown nude shades because of my skin tone. I think pink and purple and those dark colors are not gonna complement with my skin tone. My current favorite is this one. It's from Manish Malhotra. It's in the shade Coca Edition. Then I love this shade. It's from MAC. The shade name is Meher. And then another one has to be this one. It's the liquid lipstick from Sephora in the shade 41. It's finished. It's empty. It has nothing in it, but I still have it because I just rub the brush on my lips. So right now we are gonna go on with my favorite lip combo. एक lip shade लगा के काम नहीं चलता है. I always have to mix few shades when I apply something on my lips. So I'm gonna line my lips with this one. It's from Swiss Beauty in the shade Choco Nude 03. One thing that I have developed abhi is that I always go on applying long lasting smudge proof lipstick on my lips and then go on with any other shade. My logic for that is when I go out, I definitely eat. So kitna bhi kha lo, after that I want some kind of shade on my lips. So these kind of lipstick just does that for me. So ये वाला शेड थोड़ा सा पिंक टोन पे है. And I'm gonna top it off with this lip crayon. It's from Face Secret. Again, I received this one in PR and I love this lip shade. It's in the shade LO3 Sand. Can you see? पूरा lip shade change हो गया and I just love it. It's looking very pretty and very natural. Now I again don't really go on using setting spray. but I sometimes do, and when I do, I always go on with this setting spray. It's from Foxtail, and it has one of my favorite ingredients. It's niacinamide. So yeah, I'm just gonna shake it a little. This setting spray smells very good, and इसका result भी actually बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा है because it instantly gives my skin that glow without any highlighter. So I don't really need any sort of highlighter when I do my makeup. So this is my natural makeup look that I usually go on doing. And yes, that was it for my everyday or my signature makeup look, and I hope that you liked it and enjoyed it. And if you did, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep loving me. Bye.